5 ways to use the equity in your home. With very low rates, a home equity line of credit, or HELOC, is one of the most affordable ways to borrow money. Some of the top ways you can use your HELOC include
1. Home renovations.
Home office, backyard patio, kitchen and bath remodel. All are great uses of a home equity line of credit. Some home renovations can even add to the overall value of your home when it comes time to sell, but not all. Do your research and talk to a local real estate agent to see the potential impact your renovation can have to your home's value.
2. Wedding expenses.
A HELOC is a great way to help pay for that special day while avoiding the high interest rates associated with putting things on your credit card.
3. College tuition.
It's no secret that college tuition is climbing every year. Your home's equity can help pay for room and board, tuition, books, or other expenses related to higher education.
4. Debt consolidation.
Credit card interest rates can be as high as 25%. Use your HELOC to pay off high-interest credit card balances and save thousands.
5. Vacation.
After the past years we've all had, we all deserve a vacation. A HELOC can be an affordable way to take the time away you deserve without breaking the bank. Island Federal, an equal housing lender.